Hey, John from Bonnet Pro, and I got a few things for you guys today. This glass, I use Grout Shock to clean. It took the hard water stains off of it. A few minutes with some spray, scrub, rinse, towel it off. Glass looks really good. I've got something for you today, because what I like to do is my products have more value if you can use those products for more than one purpose, like Grout Shock on the glass. We're going to take OxyCrush. I have gloves on for a reason. This is 19%. This is over 60% by volume. And normally I wouldn't use this full strength, but we're going to do some nasty mold and things that are growing in the corner of this shower. So I am going to use it full strength. Full strength on cotton, this would eat through the cotton. So don't do that. But it's a good boost for Oxy Spotter if you need it, for a variety of different cleaners. Let's spray this here. You're going to hear this hiss and foam and bubble. And while mold can eat through surfaces like drywall, if it's not too far gone, now look at that reaction. So we're going to give that a couple of minutes. We're going to give it a light scrub. Then we're going to recaulk it and fix this shower in a few minutes and give this homeowner a nice clean appearance in here that they don't currently have. All right. So if you zoom in here, let's see, this has been bubbling for just a couple minutes, but this is why we want to wear gloves. This isn't your normal peroxide. This cleans this up pretty quickly. I love these brushes. You can get these at the supermarket. Lieberman. They're also good for tile and grout. You get up against the edge where your spinner tool or your, look at that, just cleaning that up so nice. And we'll give this a quick rinse. The other thing too, when it's this strong, 19%, this is killing germs too. So we want to make this really nice. So I'll let that sit another minute. I might go over it with a brush again. I'm going to rinse it and we'll put on a coat of caulk, and this is done that easy. So just a safety tip with a peroxide this strong, I probably should have wore a face shield, because as I sprayed that and some bounced off of the surface it was hitting, I did get some light ups on my face that stung pretty good. Luckily I didn't get one in my eye. So if you were doing a big area, you could take a pump up sprayer, take the spray tip out, take the cap off so it comes out like a water fountain, so it just trickles down. You can cover a large area that way, or use a sponge with a glove on. Probably wouldn't spray it the way I just did. So I am going to caulk this. We got it nice and clean. There's still a little bit of a shadow here because there's a little bit of a gap between the two surfaces. This is an old shower. I am probably in the low 5 of caulkers in the world. I'm not very good at it, but since we know these people and it's free, I think it'll be okay. So I'll do the best I can with it, and we'll take an after picture and just a few minutes worth of work. We took care of an ugly eyesore in this shower and turned it into something that, one, it's not going to leak, and then two, it's going to look nice for years to come. So OxyCrush really took care of the organic matter that we needed to get rid of, so we could wash that away, so we could make it safe and clean and visually attractive. And then it also prepped the surface to put on a bead of silicone if you choose to do that, whether it's clear or white. You just want to make sure that you give it enough time that it completely dries so nothing seeps out moisture-wise that would affect the silicone or the caulk from bonding. But you can get OxyCrush at Bonnet Pro, and we hope you enjoyed the video, and we're looking forward to serving you in the future. Bye-bye.